Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how your favorite products go from raw materials to those shiny items you see on store shelves? Whether it's a simple toy or the latest gadget, the factory production process is fascinating. Today, we're going to dive into the world of factories and explore how things are made. By the end of this video, you'll have a better grasp of what happens behind those big factory doors. So, let's get started. First things first, let's define what we mean by factory production. Essentially, it's the process where raw materials are transformed into finished goods. These factories can make anything from cars to clothes. The possibilities are pretty much endless. But why should we care about this? Well, factories are like the backbone of our economy. They significantly contribute to our GDP and play a massive role in job creation. So the next time you buy something, remember that there was a whole process behind it. Now, let's break down the production process into simple steps. The first step is planning and design. Before anything gets made, companies spend time figuring out what they want to create and how it's going to look. This is a crucial stage because the better the plan, the smoother the production will be. Once the design is set, it's time to gather the raw materials. Think of it like grocery shopping for a recipe. You need the right ingredients. Factories work hard to source quality materials because you don't want a faulty product, right? Then we get to the fun stuff, manufacturing. This is where the actual magic happens. Factories use different manufacturing methods. Some might use assembly lines where workers and machines work together in sync, while others may employ batch production, making products in groups. You'd be surprised at the advanced machinery they use, like CNC machines and robots, which help make the process faster and more efficient. Next up is quality control. Here's where factories take a deep breath and ensure everything meets their standards. It's not just about getting products out the door. It's about sending out high-quality goods that customers can trust. Checks can include everything from visual inspections to tests for durability. After products pass the quality test, it's time for packaging and distribution. Think of this as getting everything ready for a party, the final touches. Proper packaging ensures that products reach you in perfect condition. They also plan out how these items will be transported, whether it's by truck, train, or even boat. Now let's talk about some cool technologies that are changing the game in factory production. Automation is a big buzzword. Imagine robots doing repetitive work instead of people. It can make processes quicker and often more precise. But that doesn't mean we forget about human workers. We're also heading into the age of Industry 4.0. What's that, you ask? It's all about smart factories that connect all processes through IoT, or Internet of Things. That means machines can communicate with each other, making production even smoother. And of course, sustainability practices are becoming more and more important. Factories are now looking to implement eco-friendly practices that not only benefit the planet, but also often save them money. Speaking of humans, let's discuss the role of the workforce in production. Factories need both skilled and unskilled labor. Skilled workers often get specialized training, which makes them invaluable in the production process. But safety should also always be a top priority. Factories have safety regulations in place to ensure that everyone goes home safe and sound at the end of the day. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Factories face challenges too. Supply chain disruptions can throw a wrench in plans. Think back to the global pandemics we've seen. Economic factors like inflation can impact production costs and affect final prices. So the industry has to stay on its toes. Now, let's take a fun peek inside a factory. Say you visit a toy factory. There, you could witness everything from the design stage, where creative teams come up with the latest trends, to watching machines assemble those toys right before your eyes. Team members share stories about their roles, from designers to assembly line workers, creating a fascinating tapestry of collaboration and creativity. So to wrap things up, today we've uncovered the magic behind factory production. From planning and design to raw materials and quality checks, every step is crucial, and technology is blasting us into a new era. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Your comments on factory processes are welcome below. Thanks for joining me on this journey today. Remember, next time you grab something off the shelf, Think about all the effort that went into making it just for you. Have a fantastic day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.